Good morning, freedom fighters. It is 11:30 a.m. East Coast time, September 20th, 2024. Absolutely no denying that these next-rad radar systems were developed to create storms and control the weather. It was never about seeing the rain. This technology was created to control the weather. I want you to realize that everything we have, all our cell phones, all these apps, all our TV shows, were designed to control us and manipulate our thought processes and think the way they want us to. They remove us from family, nature, and God itself. Without spiritual, you have nothing. And trust me, I know I am a new born again. I can feel the difference in myself and how I think. You cannot live without spirit. And this is what they are trying to rob from us. This is a war against our minds, my friends. Lead bullets are obsolete. We are in World War III. And they have surrounded us with incredible technologies, and none of our parents ever asked what it was. We will be we will pay dearly for their sleeping at the wheel. This is Oklahoma this morning. Undeniable that this technology is creating this storm, and they can rip it apart. It's negative and positive ions, in my opinion, energy, um, frequency, microwave energy. They found microwaves that we have in our house by accident when they were developing this technology. Microwaves were found by accident. The guy had a candy bar in his pocket when he was developing this technology. I don't know if you've ever studied the actual history of next-rad radar systems. And next-rad just means next generation, if y'all don't understand their little terminologies. Our entire continent is covered in these machines. We only have this area of data because of these people here. But it's wide, as far reaching as Canada, all the way to the north and south. They have these devices surrounding North America. You can go and look at all of them. I feel like we are looking at the largest HARP network on the planet, but it is in every country. We can only see it because of this college. Soon, all this technology and knowledge will shut off to the public, I'm pretty sure. Last night, I commercial shrimp 12 nautical miles offshore here, and for some reason, we still had cell phone signal. And a couple days earlier, we didn't have any signal. Why would that be? Why would I have signal miles farther than normal? Maybe because that technology is running off the same system. When they have this technology turned up, I have signals, more powerful cell phone signal. When I see the frequency waves in the sky, I know I'm going to have more signal. Put it that way. Crazy. And I understand atmospheric bounce and all. It has nothing to do with it. It's a clear chemtrail free sky last night for the first time since I've been back. I'm afraid they're up here is why. That looks like chemtrails to me, even though it's all spread out. Yeah, you can see them. Individual straight line clouds are not formed in nature. It is by aircraft spraying these people in Ohio. All right, something very unusual to me. When I was a kid, they would never tell us to watch in clear blue skies for a hurricane develop. They would used to investigate weather systems. Just a couple years ago, I noticed they would say, "Watch this area. We're going to develop a hurricane here." Why I was removed from Facebook for showing the hurricane makers. Anyhow, a lot of work to do today. And yesterday, I'm raw and I'm unedited and unscripted. So when I say something, I don't like when I say it. Something I said, I'm like, man, I wish I didn't say it like that. Yesterday, when I said I could make a living off this, and a living to me means job, not money. I don't do any of this for the money. But their crimes against us go for so many different operations continuously that I can make a full-time job out of it with ease. I could spend all day looking for these people and their evil deeds. And anybody that has missed, they've lit Africa on fire. God, we need you now. He's not coming till Judgment Day. And I hope you're all ready for him. Commercial fishermen standing by. I feel like 2 of the 4 horsemen are already here, and our reward will be death. We're not paying attention. Commercial fishermen out.